Temples of Hindu deities are present not just in India but all around the world. It is surprising to see the ancient Hindu temples that are known for their enormity and amazing architecture. These remarkable structures were constructed several hundred years ago without any technical or mechanical provision. Hello and welcome to my channel Atrangi Shru. I am Srushti and today I am going to tell you about the 10 largest Hindu temples across continents. Akshardham Temple, Delhi. The Swami Narayan Temple was constructed on 100 acres of land near the Commonwealth Khelgaon in Delhi by BAPS, also known as the Akshardham Temple. It depicts Indian culture, spirituality, and architecture, 10,000 years old, and its name was recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records. Akshardham complex hosts thematic garden, Sanskriti Vihar, musical fountain, Garden of India among others. Angkor Wat Temple, Cambodia. Angkor Wat Temple complex in Cambodia is the largest Hindu temple in the world dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This temple is built on the banks of Mekong River in the town of Simprip. It shows the classical style of Khmer architecture. It is extended over hundreds of square miles and every year millions of tourists visit. Annamalayar Temple, Tiruvannamalai. Annamalayar temples at the base of Annamalai Hills is spread over 1,171 square meters. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is the fire of 5 elements. The temple is one of the largest Hindu temples in India. Belur Mutt, West Bengal. The Belur Mutt, located in the bank of Hooghly River, was instituted by Swami Vivekanand. It is spread over 40 acres and is notable for its architecture. Brihadeshwar Temple, Tanjore. Brihadeshwar Temple in Tanjore was built in the early 11th century. It is the first and one of its kind in the world, made in granite and has been declared as a World Heritage by UNESCO. Dedicated to Lord Shiva and one of the tallest Shiva Lingam in India is believed to be present there. Ekambareswarar Temple, Kanchipuram. The Ekambareswarar or Ekambarannathar temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple was constructed in the 6th century and among the 5 elements it represents earth. Nelayappar Temple, Tirunelveli. Located in the city of Tirunelveli, this temple is devoted to Swami Nelayappar and Sri Arultharum Kanthaimathi Ambal. Spread over 71,000 square meters, it is one of the oldest temple in India. Jambukeshwar Temple, Tamil Nadu. Located in Tiruchirappalli, also known as Trichy, district of Tamil Nadu. The Jambukeshwar Temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple was built around 2000 to 2300 years ago by a Chola ruler named Kokena Ganan. Ranganatha Swami Temple, Sri Rangam. Ranganatha Swami Temple is dedicated to Lord Ranganatha, considered to be the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. A 1000-year-old mummy is also preserved in the temple. The Ranganatha Swami Temple is the largest temple in India and second largest in the world. Thillai Nataraja Temple, Chidambaram. The Nataraja Temple, also known as Chidambaram Temple, is one of the major temples of Lord Shiva. It is the oldest surviving temple in South India. The unique form of Lord Shiva as Nataraja is primary deity of the temple, and he is seen in every stone and pillar in the temple. That's all for today, guys. Hope you all liked the list. If you think I've missed anything, feel free to write in the comment box below. Also, you can suggest me any topic of your choice so that I can make a video on it next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.